An update that YouTube just made in the month of November has absolutely changed the game for everybody running YouTube ads today. And I mean absolutely everybody. If you're selling products or you're selling services, it doesn't matter. What YouTube just did has absolutely given you, the advertiser, the keys to the YouTube ads kingdom. YouTube has the right to monetize all content on the platform, and ads may appear on videos from channels not in the YouTube Partner Program. So if you're a monetized creator that's getting paid through YouTube AdSense, that really doesn't sound that great. But if you're an advertiser that's running YouTube ads, that's money in the bank. So be sure to stay to the end where I share with you exactly how to cash in. Hey, it's Jaime. If we're just meeting, welcome to the channel that brings actionable content to grow your business through online marketing. So if that sounds beneficial, consider subscribing. So what exactly does this mean? How does this bring you value as an advertiser? Well, this change means that you now have the ability to hyper target the audience that you want to reach. Because given this update, you now have the potential to advertise on all YouTube channels and all YouTube videos, regardless if that channel is monetized or not. It might sometimes seem that way because you see ads everywhere, but not all channels are monetized. In order for a channel to be monetized and be invited into the Partners program that YouTube offers, the channel has to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time in the past 12 months. So you can see how this barrier to entry may keep some channels from being able to monetize their channel because they simply can't get to the 1,000 subscribers or aren't able to get that many hours of watch time. So that means that you as an advertiser looking to actually run ads in those channels and in the videos that they make weren't ever able to advertise within the videos themselves. In other words, running in-stream ads. But given this November 18th update, you now have the ability to advertise anywhere that you want, regardless if the channel is monetized. And here's exactly how you leverage this. If you've run ads in the past, you've probably noticed the placements option where you call out specific channels or videos you want to market in. So now when you're creating YouTube ad campaigns, you're able to select your competition regardless of large or small, monetized or not monetized, and run ads in their videos. That's pretty cool. And not only are you able to target channels as a whole, you're able to target videos that have ranked extremely high in certain topics or covering certain topics that make sense for your ideal audience. In other words, if there's a video out there that is getting a ton of views that makes sense for your product or service, you're able to market specifically on that video, regardless if the entire channel is monetized or not. So in other words, you now have the entire YouTube catalog at your disposal. You now have the entire YouTube library to choose from. You can select channels, you can select videos, it doesn't matter. Now there's one caveat that I want to make sure that you're well aware of. Simply because YouTube does have the right and reserves the right to monetize every single video out there, it doesn't mean that it will exercise that right. I suspect that it will, but it still is YouTube's decision to make. But either way, I do have some homework for you. And homework assignment number 1 is to go down to the bottom of this video right here and smash like. And now your second homework assignment is to create a spreadsheet of all of your competitors. It doesn't matter if they're monetized or not. Just create this spreadsheet and then also open up another tab listing out all of the videos that make sense for your product and your service. Because whether YouTube decides to monetize every single video or not, you still want to be prepared. You still want to be running these types of ads that are selectively placed where you want them. You want to get these entire lists together and then run ads by copying and pasting them in the multiple placements option when you're creating your campaigns. Well, now that you know how to leverage this huge opportunity that YouTube ads has just given you, you might be interested in learning how to actually launch this YouTube ad. So I'll leave a video right here that's gonna help you do that. Also, if you found value today, please be sure to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss another video. And of course, make it your best day yet.